This is how you can make a small living room feel open and well-designed the moment you set it up the right way. You don't need more room, you just need the right setup. It's about choosing the right pieces, placing them with intention, and letting the room breathe. In this video, we'll show you 6 simple design moves you can apply right away to make your small living room feel bigger, lighter, and more functional without changing the size of your space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Tip number 1. Choose the right sofa scale. Let's start with the biggest piece in your living room, the sofa. Take a look at this setup. Even though the room is not large, the sofa doesn't feel heavy or overwhelming. That's because it's using the right scale. Instead of a bulky form, this is a low-profile sofa with slimmer arms and slightly raised legs. Because of its lower height, the wall and artwork behind it remain visible, which makes the room feel more open. The slim sides prevent the seating from taking too much visual space, so the layout feels lighter and more balanced. And since the legs are exposed, you can still see the floor underneath, which helps the space feel less crowded. That's the key. The goal is not to maximize size, but to choose a piece that fits the space properly. And once your main furniture feels lighter and more proportional, the next step is to free up the floor even more. Tip number 2, use wall-mounted storage. Here's how this wall is designed. Instead of placing a bulky cabinet on the floor, the storage is lifted using a wall-mounted TV console. Notice how the floor continues underneath the console without interruption. That continuous floor line makes the room feel wider and less crowded right away. Because the console is floating, the entire wall feels lighter and more open. When you view the TV wall as a whole, it feels clean, balanced, and visually extended. Your eyes move across it smoothly, and nothing feels bulky or overcrowded. The setup creates a clear focal point while still keeping the space calm and uncluttered. So instead of the wall feeling like it's taking up space, it actually helps the room feel wider and more organized. Even lifting just one major piece like your console can already make a noticeable difference in how spacious the room feels. And once the floor feels more open, the next step is how you position your furniture. Tip number 3, apply a floating layout. Here's how the layout works. From this view, the seating zone and entertainment area are clearly defined and aligned. The sofa directly faces the TV wall, so the viewing angle feels natural, and the entire setup reads as one cohesive living zone. Now the seating area is properly defined using a large area rug, which visually anchors the sofa, coffee table, and ottoman into one zone. Because of that, the layout no longer feels like everything is just placed along the edges. It feels intentional and organized. At the same time, that small space behind the sofa adds depth. Instead of the wall feeling too close, the room now feels more open and breathable. You'll also notice how the furniture is centered within the rug, not hugging the walls. That creates balance in the middle of the room, making the space feel designed rather than leftover. So even without increasing the size, the room feels wider, calmer, and more put together. And once the layout feels structured, the next thing to improve is how movement flows around it. Tip number 4, use a round coffee table. In this setup, the coffee table immediately softens the center of the layout. Instead of sharp edges, a round coffee table creates a smoother flow between the sofa, accent chair, and walkway. Because of its shape, movement around the table feels easier and more natural, especially in a tighter space like this. Visually, it also breaks the straight lines from the sofa, TV wall, and shelving, so the layout feels more relaxed and balanced. You'll notice how nothing feels too rigid or boxed in. The space flows continuously without harsh interruptions. That's the advantage of using softer shapes. They improve both movement and visual comfort at the same time. And once the layout flows better, the next thing to consider is how materials affect the overall feel of the space. Tip number 5, choose lighter materials. Now, let's break down why this space feels light the moment you see it. It's not because there are fewer items, it's because of the materials used. In this setup, you'll notice a combination of light-toned fabrics, soft wood finishes, and minimal metal elements. These materials naturally reflect light instead of absorbing it, which helps the room feel brighter and more open. Because the tones are softer and more neutral, everything blends together more smoothly instead of creating heavy contrast. That's why the room feels calm and visually balanced. Now you can see how this is applied in the space. The sofa uses a neutral fabric, the shelving and console use lighter wood tones, and the accents like floor lamp are kept minimal and refined. Each material supports the same goal, keeping the space visually light. So instead of adding more furniture, the focus is on choosing materials that reduce visual weight. That's why the space feels light without feeling empty. And once the materials feel right, the final step is making sure everything is spaced correctly. Tip number 6, follow proper spacing rules. Let's look at how spacing makes this layout feel comfortable and easy to use. From this view, you can clearly see the distance between each piece. There is enough space between the sofa and round coffee table, so it feels easy to reach items without feeling cramped. At the same time, the gap around the coffee table allows you to move freely between the seating and the TV area without any awkward movement. The walkway along the side also remains clear, so you can pass through the space without disturbing the seating zone. Nothing feels too tight and nothing feels too far apart. Each piece is placed with enough breathing room to stay connected while still allowing comfortable movement. That balance is what makes the room feel functional and relaxed at the same time. Because when spacing is done right, even a small living room feels open and easy to live in. When you combine all these, the space starts to feel open, breathable, and intentional. You don't need a bigger living room. You just need better design decisions. If you want more layouts like this, check out my other videos and subscribe for more practical design tips. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.